Okay. So here from blank database, you have to click on blank database, then click on the create option. Please interrupt me. When you have a doubt, please interrupt me. Okay. Whenever you have doubt in between, you can interrupt me. No problem. First, we have to finish first point, view points, and then you can ask one by one whatever queries that you have. Okay. So first we have to go in a form views. Okay. So there are 4 types of views. Page number 40. Yes, Atharva, what is your doubt?
सर आप बाद में हमको रिकॉर्डिंग भेजने वाले हो?
Yes, yes, I will send the recordings also.
ओके सर.
Yes. Okay, so there are 4 types of views. Everyone should reply. What is the use of datasheet view? What is the use of design view? Yes. Yes. Grishma, Vedant. Everyone should have to reply.
Sir, data sheet view is
Yes.
to enter the data in the table. Data sheet view.
Very good answer. Data sheet view to enter the data. And what is the use of design view?
Sir, we can enter the field names, the data types, and the description of it.
Very good answer. That is a designing of table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first we have to enter the data. We have to create the 2 tables. So we can go in the form views. We can convert it into form views. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have to go in create option. Please check out the page number 40. They have given how to create form view.
Yes sir.
First click on create. Then you have to click on, there are table views, design view, query wizard, query design, etc. So we have seen last period, we have seen query design and query wizard. Okay. Now we have
Sir,
to
but there are 3 types of views, na? Form, layout, and design.
Yes, yes. Today we are going only the part of form view.
Sir, and we can create table in design view, interface, and
Yes.
data sheet view, no?
Yes, yes, yes. You just create the table and then just click on the form view. It will be automatically converted. Very good answer, Pragati. Yes.
Thank
Do
you,
you
sir.
want to save the table 1? Yes, I want to save the table 1. Okay. So I can convert the table, same table into form view also. Huh? As Pragati has given the right answer. You can see I can convert my table also. For example, roll number. Roll number, name, then address, sorry, first name, class, sorry, class,
School.
whatever field you can take. Okay, whatever.
Then Aadhaar card.
Yes. And city,
Aadhaar number.
class, city, as per your
School.
requirement. Yes, city and.
Sir,
Yes.
there are phone numbers also. Phone
Mobile number.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Mobile number, address.
Aadhaar card number.
Yes, yes. Aadhaar card number. Whatever field you want. You
Sir,
can
means
take.
we can add unlimited titles in that.
Yes, but what is the use of unlimited? We have to add some specific field, na? Always we have to add the specific field. For example, PAN number.
Yes.
Always think about the specific field. Don't create unnecessary field.
Sir,
Okay. Now one by one we will
sir,
enter.
Sir,
is there any limitation to create fields?
Yes, there is a limitations. Okay. But
Birthday.
Sir, means only we have to write the information which is important.
but mostly we will not go that part. We will go only for the important fields. We will not cross the limits. Okay. So we should have to be specific.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Sorry, class 8. Then city, for example, Aurangabad.
Aurangabad.
Address hash N2, 67, for example. Then Aadhaar card number, for example,
0123.
yes, 0893, etc. And number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay. So this yes. So this ID number.
Sir, and name.
Yes. We have to select this field. We have to set this field according to. We have to go in datasheet view.
Sir, here are spelling mistakes are there, so it will also show us spelling corrections.
Yes. So
It is an
we have to
automation.
give. Sorry, name we have to give. Change. First, we will enter all the data, and then we will go for different fields. Okay. Seven. Okay, so we have created 2 fields. Now we will go in design view. So first field we have selected. What was our first field? So
Name. Sorry, roll number.
Roll number.
yes, roll number. Okay, so this field should be
Cut paste. Sir, what is that?
we have to
rename
rename
field,
the field.
no?
Yes.
Yes.
Actually, by mistake we have entered in this area. We have to rename the field. Actually, I was conducting Excel, so by default I have given the field at bottom. Okay. In the next step, here you have to give the roll number. Then here you have to give the
Then name.
Name. Then class.
Then class.
Then city.
Sir, class.
Class. Now city.
Then city.
Then address.
Address.
Now
Address.
address.
Aadhaar card number.
Address.
Aadhaar card
number and
PAN card number.
Yes, very good
PAN
answer.
number. Aadhaar number and PAN number.
Yes,
PAN.
last one was PAN number. Yes, very good answer.
PAN number. PAN card number.
Without clicking on the rename field option, we cannot rename it.
Yeah, you can directly rename, but it's very simple, no? Why we should go in the? You can directly.
Sir, by double
but for
clicking
that,
also, sir.
Yes. That is I'm telling. Even by double clicking, you can change. But somewhere what happen when you double click, if by mistake it will go into the cell control also. So best way to just
Yes,
right click
sir.
on that. Okay, so you will get
Okay.
proper options.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so always use the shortcut menus. Okay, so you can understand the more options. No problem. You can just double click it. If you want to change by the double click, you can just double click and change the field like this. No problem. Okay. But what is the difference of shortcut menu? When you right click on the field, you will get sorting options, copy, width option, field option. This new option you will get to understand. Na?
We can understand more
Yes.
about them.
You can understand more
Yes,
about
sir.
that. That is why always you have to use a pop-up menu. So understand more options regarding the that fields or whatever it may be. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we have created this table. Again, we will have to mention some roll number.
And now we have to
name.
write.
Nine.
Aurangabad. So we can write down.
Whatever city you want, you can add any number. Hash N4.
N1.
Yes, it's N4, N6. Whatever you. Yes.
9.
Other card number. And then
8254.
yes.
8254.
Yes. Now we have to convert into which view? This is a
Design view.
Yes, we have to go in. Very good answer. We have to go in design view.
Design.
First, roll number was for number. So we have to set the property as a number.
Number. Yes, sir.
Everyone is getting, na? Everyone is getting my
Yes,
point?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what is
Data
that
sheet.
ID in the first ID?
ID, that is by default field, mostly used for ID numbers.
Yes.
You can customize the field, no problem. If you want to customize it, you can customize from here also. But from design view, from the design view. But what is the use of ID? It is mostly a you can set a primary key to that ID. आप उस ID को primary key set कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए हम उसको system भी हमें हमेशा ID prefer करके देता है auto number से. ठीक है?
हाँ. Yes, sir.
So now we have to click to the number.
What was happening? I don't know.
On our roll number.
Auto number.
Sir, why it is not coming?
So we will type, no problem, but I don't know how it is locked. It is not working.
Sir, it is not showing the options only.
So we can create any other.
It is not showing the fields. Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have table one table we have to delete. Same table is there, no? We have to delete one number.
Yes, sir. So it is giving.
That is why it is
It
creating.
also wants then. It also wants.
That is yes. That is why it was creating a problem.
Yeah. The same table creates the problem.
By default, it is.
Yes.
Now it has opened. Now, look at this. Okay, auto number cannot set. We can set the numbers. Okay. बिकॉज इट वॉज सेम टेबल, हमने क्या कर दिया था, सेम टेबल को नेम दे दिया था, उसकी वजह से वो अलाउड नहीं कर रहा था हमें डाटा एंट्री के लिए। सेम नंबर नहीं आना चाहिए, सेम नेम नहीं आना चाहिए टेबल्स के। ओके, सेम टेबल आ गया तो आपको यस आपको प्रॉपर्टी चेंज करने के लिए अलाउड नहीं करेगा। इट विल नॉट अलाउड इफ यू मेंशन द सेम टेबल नेम। ओके, and that is why
Sir,
it
means
was
we should
created.
assign different properties.
Different names,
correct?
yes, yes. You have to mention different names for the table.
Yes, sir.
Select table 1, table 2.
Yes, yes. Roll number was number, then text name was text,
Or we can text.
then class
Class number.
नाही पेपर तिकडच दे तुम्ही, जाऊ दे. हे हजार किती
was
झालं मॅम?
text,
Text.
address was number,
Number.
Aadhaar card was number,
Aadhaar card was number.
Number and PAN card was
and
PAN
number
card
was
was also number.
Very good.
number.
Number.
Okay, so this way, first what we have created in datasheet view, we have entered the different fields and data into table. Okay, now in design view, we are creating different properties, we are applying different properties through the design view, right?
But the same format of the table.
Yes.
Yes, yes, with the same format. Got it, everyone?
सर
Okay, design
Yes,
view
sir.
for designing the
Sir.
table, and data sheet means entering data into the table. Okay, so here we have created design view, we have applied properties. Okay, so you can apply different caption name also.
सर
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, if you want some index numbers etc, you can add some index number also. Here they have given a properties of duplication. If you want duplicate numbers, say okay. If you don't want duplicate numbers, say no to duplicate numbers. Okay, same way, if you want some compulsory field, required field, compulsory, you want to compulsory make
What
the
is doing the
insertion of
smart
that.
tags?
Yes, required का मतलब होता है कि कंपलसरी वो फील्ड आपको एंटर करना पड़ेगा अगर आपने यस क्लिक किया तो, ठीक है। अगर आपने नो किया तो वो ऑप्शन हो जाएगा वो फील्ड आपके लिए, उसके अंदर आपने एंटर किया नहीं किया तो भी चलता है। ओके, सो
सर लेकिन डिफॉल्ट नो होता है ना?
हाँ, बाय डिफॉल्ट नो होता है, हम नो ही रखेंगे, अदरवाइज वो हमें प्रॉब्लम देगा। फिर वो क्या करेगा, हर बार रिक्वायर्ड फील्ड अगर आपने यस कर दिया तो आपको वो फील्ड कंपलसरी फिल करनी पड़ेगी। और इंडेक्स को अगर आपने यहाँ पे यस कर दिया तो वो क्या करेगा, आपकी डुप्लीकेशन नंबर्स को एक्टिवेट कर देगा, आपके डुप्लीकेशन नंबर रिपीट हो जाएंगे यहाँ पे अगर आपने यस कर दिया तो, ठीक है। तो हमेशा नो टू द डुप्लीकेशन ही बोलना, या अगर कुछ नहीं समझता है आपको तो बाय डिफॉल्ट नो रख देना, ठीक है। आए समझ में?
ओके सर, यस सर।
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
हाँ, yes,
Sir, it's compulsory to fill all the field properties means that.
No, it is optional. All general properties are optional.
Sir, can I ask?
Yes.
Sir, my axis is 2016, sir. So in the data type option, there is long text and short text. So, sir, so what is the difference?
आपको एक एडिशनल डाटा मिल जाता है। शॉर्ट टेक्स्ट में क्या होता है, आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा 50-60 कैरेक्टर तक लिमिट रहती है, और लॉन्ग टेक्स्ट में आप थाउजेंड्स ऑफ टेक्स्ट तक ऐड कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। ये
Okay, sir.
डाटा टाइप में यस
Thank you,
एडिशनल
sir.
टेक्स्ट मिल जाती है आपको इस फील्ड में एंटर करने के लिए।
Okay.
ओके, तो मैं आपको ये दिखा देता हूँ। अगर आपने रिक्वायर्ड यस किया और इंडेक्स यस किया तो क्या करेगा, देखिए अभी हम पैन नंबर को रिक्वायर्ड यस कर रहे हैं। ये देखिए पैन नंबर वी हैव सेलेक्टेड, फॉर द पैन नंबर वी हैव अप्लाइड यस, रिक्वायर्ड फील्ड यस एंड डुप्लीकेशन यस। अभी डुप्लीकेशन करेंगे तो आपको अलाउड नहीं करेगा। उसके बाद प्रॉपर्टी सेट करने के बाद यहाँ पे सेव करना है। यस, वी हैव चेंज द प्रॉपर्टी। ओके, अभी यहाँ पे आपको डुप्लीकेशन अलाउड नहीं करेगा पैन नंबर में। वो इन द डाटा शीट व्यू, और यहाँ पे देखिए वेयर इज पैन नंबर, वेयर इज पैन नंबर ना।
96368.
Yes. PAN number.
सर हमने
Sir, and that address column also.
Yes, yes.
Not there. Address on
Abdul
Aadhaar.
Rahman Shah, why are you asking for remote control access?
Sir, but the PAN number is detected, then how?
I will simply remove you if you disturb the class. Abdul Rahman Shah. Okay. So again, we will go in the design view and we will change the properties.
Sir, but what happened? I didn't understand.
The PAN number, right? PAN number field we have, right? So PAN number, yes. So in the field, and here we set
Field
duplication. Yes, and then save the properties.
Yes, sir, it is unknown also.
Now after saving it, again go into datasheet view and check out whether
Sir,
it is
the field
activated.
number of PAN
Yes,
card
yes.
has turned into the data sheet.
Check out whether it is
Yeah.
activated or not. So cross check always. Always you have to cross check the properties.
Sir, and if the property is not activated, we can do the double.
Yes, you have to apply unless until it is not activating. You have to always activate it. You have to always enable it. 4, 6,
Sir, why you are
7,
changing the number?
1, 6, 6. Okay. Yes. So duplication is allowed. Okay. Now duplication is allowed to us. We have said yes duplication.
Sir, but what is the meaning of that?
Means you can repeat the numbers, no? Yesterday's previous practical we have seen it was not allowing a repetition of data. Now we have set the
Yes.
properties.
सर डाउट
We have set the properties of repetition. Now it is allowing us to repetition of
सर
data.
डाउट
Okay, same data we are repeating. In the last practical, you have observed that it was not allowing a repetition of data. Now for the PAN number, we have set repetition, yes. Repetition of data, we have set the property, yes. So now it will allow the repetition of data in PAN number. Okay, now look at this. If you look at this,
doubt.
I will apply some, just a second, let me complete, please. Here we will apply one primary key to that. We will have go into design tab. We have to go in design view once again. And let's see, we will apply ID primary key. Okay, we have applied primary key to ID, right? We have to click on primary key and the ID is applied roll number. Now roll number, check out. I am applying roll number a primary key. Now let us see. For example, I am applying a primary key on the PAN number. Okay. Save. Okay. Okay. Now see the changes. For example, just a minute. We'll apply roll number. Okay, for example. Okay. Now we will check out in datasheet view.
What is happening, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we must have to save the table first, then it will allow us.
Sir, but after saving, it is giving some different notification.
It is not allowing us. We have to create a new table.
Sir, only 10 minutes are left.
Yes, yes, 10 minutes are left. So we have to directly convert into next field, that is form view.
But we can't do the same
Yes.
with the same field.
Is
Sir, it will take time to save.
Yes, yes, it is taking time to save. So we have to directly go in the form. We will create new forms. Okay, so you understand how to apply the primary key?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, but how it works?
Yes.
Yes. That is important. It is not allowing us to create new field. Okay, that's the problem.
Sir, some problem is there.
Yes. There is problem. Okay, so we delete the primary key, so it will allow us. Okay, now I think we can go. Now we can go in design view. Okay. So again, we will apply primary key on the ID. So we can. Okay. Now save. Okay. Now check the problem. Okay, look at this. I will repeat the numbers. I have applied primary key to. Look at this. It is not allowing me to delete the data. Even it is not allowed me to repeat the data. Look at this. I am typing a 4 number. It is not allowing me to type a 4 number because 3, 4, 5 is already repeated. Okay. And I am pressing 3, 4, 5. It is giving me error. It is creating a sound. Okay. You can see I have set. Now again I will set roll number, primary key to the roll number. Okay. First I will remove it. Then I will apply primary key on roll number. Then I will save the changes. हाँ, तो एरर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पे चेक कर सकते हैं, द चेंजेस यू रिक्वेस्टेड टू द टेबल वर नॉट सक्सेसफुल बिकॉज दे वुड क्रिएट अ डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ वैल्यूज इन द इंडेक्स और द रिलेशनशिप। आया समझ में? तो पहले हमने आईडी नंबर्स में टाइप किया तो उसने हमें अलाउड नहीं किया, फिर हमने रोल नंबर को भी प्राइमरी की अप्लाई किया तो भी वो वही एरर दे रहा है कि डुप्लीकेशन इज नॉट अलाउड। यू कैन
Sir,
रीड
as
दिस।
we have set it to no.
आपने देखा क्या हुआ, आईडी में हमने 3 और 4 आईडी नंबर मेंशन किया तो वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर रहा है। उसके बाद हमने रोल नंबर के अंदर डुप्लीकेट वैल्यू मेंशन की है, अगर आप चेक करेंगे तो यहाँ पे देखिए हमने डिलीट कर देते हैं हम, देखिए वो अलाउड नहीं कर रहा है हमें कोई भी फील्ड इंसर्ट करने के लिए। ये देखिए हम अभी सेव करेंगे इसको, ठीक है, और देखिए आईडी नंबर को ही उसने अलाउड किया, देखा आपने? तो पहले हमने रोल नंबर को प्राइमरी की अप्लाई किया तो उसने हमें अलाउड नहीं किया, उसने एरर दिया कि दिस वुड क्रिएट अ रिपीटेशन ऑफ डाटा, दिस विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम इन द रिलेशनशिप, दिस विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम इन द प्राइमरी की, दिस विल क्रिएट अ डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ नंबर्स। ये एरर हमें दे रहा था वो रोल नंबर पे। अभी आईडी में देखिए, आईडी में उसने अलाउड कर दिया हमें। समझ में आ रहा है क्या मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ सबको?
Sir, but why
sir.
is allowed in
रोल
ID?
हाँ, रोल नंबर वो अलाउड नहीं करेगा। आप देखिए ना इसमें रिपीटेशन हो रहा है ना रोल नंबर में, ये देखिए ना रोल नंबर में 10
मतलब 10 10 आ रहा ना।
हाँ 10 10 रिपीटेशन किया ना
ID is
हमने,
blank.
वही तो मैं बता रहा हूँ कि यहाँ पे रोल नंबर में रिपीटेशन हो रहा
सर
है,
अगर कोई
प्राइमरी की अलाउड
रिपीटेशन
नहीं
तो
करेगा।
अगर हमने रोल नंबर चेंज किए तो नहीं आएगा वैसा?
हाँ वो नहीं होगा फिर, अगर हम रोल नंबर चेंज करते तो डेफिनेटली वो अलाउड करेगा अभी हमें।
हाँ सर, करना है।
देखिए पहले इसको रिमूव करना पड़ेगा, फिर रोल नंबर पे अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। ये देखिए किया अभी उसने अलाउड हमें रोल नंबर पे, आया समझ में?
Sir,
पहले हमने
हाँ
प्राइमरी
सर
सर,
में
मतलब
अप्लाई
मतलब हम
किया
डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ
तो
डाटा
उसने
होता
बोला कि
था।
डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ नंबर्स, रिपीटेशन ऑफ नंबर्स इज नॉट अलाउड इन एक्सेस। और अभी आप देखिए जब हम उसको एक्टिवेट किया रोल नंबर पे, पहले जितने भी रिपीटेड नंबर्स थे वो डिलीट कर दिया हमने इमीडिएटली, अभी उसने अलाउड कर दिया है प्राइमरी की रोल नंबर पे।
sir, but हमने
नाउ चेक आउट, यू कैन सी नाउ अगेन पैन नंबर्स पे आप प्राइमरी की अप्लाई करके देखिए, अलाउड नहीं करेगा। देखिए फिर से हम डिजाइन व्यू में जाएंगे, ये देखिए पैन नंबर पे अलाउड नहीं करेगा अभी, यहाँ पे डिलीट कर देते हैं प्राइमरी की और यहाँ पे पैन नंबर पे अप्लाई करते हैं। ये देखिए इट विल नॉट अलाउड द नाउ primary key, save the changes. Look at this, the changes you requested to the table were not successful because they would create duplication of values in the index, primary key or relationship. So change the data in the field or fields that contain the duplication of data. Please remove the index or redefinition of index or permit duplication entries and try again. ये एरर आगे देखो, वो बोल रहा है कि डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ नंबर्स आप दे रहे हैं, इसके लिए हम प्राइमरी की अलाउड नहीं करेंगे। प्राइमरी की अप्लाई किया इसका मतलब वहां पे आप डुप्लीकेशन मेंशन नहीं कर सकते। आया समझ में?
यस
हाँ, अभी
सर।
देखिए अभी रोल नंबर पे और आईडी पे अलाउड करेगा वो, ये देखिए अलाउड कर दिया उसने। अभी कोई एरर आ रहा है क्या? नहीं आ रहा है। आया समझ में?
सर मतलब
यस
डुप्लीकेशन ऑफ
सर
डाटा हो रहा था इसलिए वो अलाउ नहीं कर रहा
यस
था
वेरी
हमें।
गुड
मतलब
वेरी
पैन
गुड,
नंबर में भी गई थी।
यस हमने
एक डाउट है।
हाँ आईडी और रोल नंबर में डाटा डुप्लीकेट नहीं है, रिपीटेशन नहीं है, इसके लिए आईडी और रोल नंबर पे प्राइमरी की अलाउड किया उसने। पैन नंबर पे अलाउड नहीं कर रहा है वो, क्योंकि उसके अंदर ये देखिए रिपीटेशन है, डाटा है दिख रहा है ना 465 और यहाँ पे
यस
देखिए
सर
रोल नंबर पे रिपीटेशन
यस
नहीं
सर।
है, और पहले रोल नंबर पे रिपीटेशन था तो हमने डिलीट कर दिया वो।
हाँ
जब ग्रीष्मा ने क्वेश्चन पूछा था सर यहाँ पे 10 रिपीट हो गया है।
यस सर।
Sir, Pragati, I wanted to ask a doubt.
यस यस
Sir, I wanted to ask that if we done the duplication in the field name or data type, sir, तो दोनों में duplication हो सकता है या सिर्फ field name में?
फील्ड नेम पहली चीज है, देखिए फील्ड नेम आप रिपीट क्यों करेंगे? रोल नंबर आप ऐसा टेबल बनाएंगे जहाँ पे हर जगह पे रोल नंबर है, फील्ड नेम
नहीं
रिपीटेशन
सर।
करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। दूसरी चीज ये आपने जो क्वेश्चन किया कि यस सर, अगर हम यहाँ पे एंट्री कर रहे हैं, डाटा इंसर्ट कर रहे हैं सेल के अंदर, तो उसका रिपीटेशन अवॉइड करना चाहिए। तो वही तो यूज है प्राइमरी की का। जो हम सेल में रिपीटेशन कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे टेबल के अंदर, वो रिपीटेशन नहीं होना चाहिए। दैट इज द यूज ऑफ प्राइमरी की। गॉट इट?
Sir, and at once we can't set primary key to one or more than one field name.
No. At a time, one table, one field you have to select.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
You can see if you apply multiple, what will happen? Look at this. Automatically, first previous was deleted and PAN number was selected. Yes. Again, if you want to apply primary key, the previous PAN number primary key will disable automatically, and it will enable the primary key on the ID. So at a time, one field that should not be repeated, that numbers we have to always apply the primary key. Okay. Got it?
Sir, and another way to find that there is.
Okay, clear? Now we have to convert this into form view.
We can find in that.
Create, convert the table.
Yes, sir.
Form. Okay, and check out this.